An unboxing video. Everyone loves an unboxing video apparently. It's the biggest thing on Top Tick or whatever that new thing is that all the kids are down into now. So do I need to talk about it first, or I just unbox it? I'm not familiar with this and not down with the kids. I just open the box and then I just reveal what's inside. You don't know. Andrew, poor Andrew is filming on both the cam for a YouTube video and he's doing a vertical video at the same time. It's just, I don't care what you do, just do it quickly. I'm just faffing around now. Stop faffing, Michael! This is the first Turbosmart Turbo to arrive that's not a display model in the UK, and I was miraculously on the phone to Turbosmart at the same time discussing some technical bits about another project, and then I asked when these were coming and he said actually we've just got one in stock. I said get it to me now, I want it right now. I need to get rid of that thing, well, don't worry about that. It is in an unbranded box. This is how new it is. It hasn't even got, they will be in Turbosmart boxes when they do, when they are more widely available, but for this very first one, it just comes in a brown box. The excitement.
Which way up is it?
I don't know. I'm going to say, the sticker's this way up, so I'm going to go this way up. Stick this way up. 6262 V-band, 0.82 exhaust housing. That's exactly what I want. Is anyone else as excited as I am?
I am.
For people at home, like someone will be sat on their lunch break, just like, I'm really excited about this Turbosmart unboxing. Oh, it does come in a box! Look, it is! That's 6 minutes. Great box. And then this box, this is like pass the parcel.
It's like the Russian doll, the turbo's actually going to be the size of your hand.
Okay. They do package things nicely, don't they, Turbosmart? Sticker. That's mine, no one else is getting that. Customer's not getting that, that's mine. And here we are. Behold! Completely assembled as well. That's a lovely touch, having a completely assembled part. Sometimes we get turbos, they're not completely assembled. And stuff has happened to them in transit.
What else is in the box before you get into that?
Some clamps. So clamps, gaskets.
Gaskets?
Yeah, just the ordering gasket. Yeah. And
flanges?
Flanges. All come with all the parts you need to attach it to whatever setup you want. And the nice foam packaging. So this is what you get in the box. Do you want to see these individually? No, no one wants to. There's clamps and flanges and stuff. They want to see this. Open. I'm gonna have to put that in another bag, aren't I? I probably shouldn't have opened it like that. Just too excited. I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. Look! The first one in the UK. It's not a display model. Display model has been here. Only by a week though. The first one that isn't a display model. And I have it here in my hand. Turbosmart 6262. And may I say, this looks absolutely amazing. Look at the quality of that casting. And the machine spins like a dream, as you'd expect. It just looks... Have a look, have a zoom in. I know everyone, because this is the first thing everyone does, spin the wheel on a turbo. Right, because you can't do it at home, I'm going to do it for you, ready? If I do it from the back, it might be more. There you go.
Cool, that boost.
Is that satisfying? It's definitely satisfying for me. I mean, it made me feel a lot better spinning that shaft. I'm going to go put it on a car now.